Welcome to Easy Peasy English. Opposite words, part 2. Sharp, blunt. The red pencil is sharp. The other pencils are blunt. Many, few. There are many sweets. There are a few sweets. Loud, soft. The music can be loud. The music can be soft. New, old. The shoes are new. The shoes are old. Long, short. The pencil is long. The pencil is short. Rich, poor. You are rich when you have lots of money. You are poor when you have no money. Left, right. You can turn left or you can turn right. Right, wrong. When you have a tick, you are right. When you have a cross, you are wrong. Smooth, rough. Marble is smooth. Bricks are rough. Interested, bored. He is interested. She is bored. Soft, hard. The teddy bear is soft. The pebbles are hard. Strong, weak. The link is strong. The link is weak. Tall, short. The giraffe is tall. The hamster is short. Thick, thin. The ropes are thick. The ropes are thin. Dry, wet. The dog is dry. The dog is wet. Narrow, wide. The path is narrow. The path is wide. Young, old. The puppy is young. The dog is old. Open, closed. The window is open. The window is closed. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.